Good morning, everyone. Today I'm going to share you about my topic on supervision. First of all, I'll be sharing my PPT. Now, what is supervision? Supervision means overseeing the subordinates at the work. It means we are just viewing what our subordinates are doing, and it's the function of assuring that work is being done according with the plans and instructions. But see, as you know, whenever you are doing some work, you are working according to the plans and instructions. So supervision has a thing to see what is going according to the plans and instructions. Now, what are the characteristics of supervision? Supervision, the characteristics are, first of all, it is a universal activity. Universal activity means supervision is basically available everywhere. Wherever we go, whether it is you can say in the case of a school, in a case of a college, in a case of a managerial things, supervision is a universal activity and it is available everywhere. Then it is a continuous process. ऐसा नहीं है कि we will be doing supervision and once we have done it we are just going to close it. It is a continuous process and it has to be go on. Then you need to check the performance. Once your workers complete the work done, we need to check the performance, that what have they have done for us. So supervision means checking the performance. Then supervision is a delegate function. Delegated function means we delegate the function to our subordinates to check their subordinates that what they have done in their work. Now, types of supervision. Types of supervision: autocratic supervision, free range supervision, democratic supervision. Autocratic supervision means in this supervision, supervisor expect complete obedience from the subordinate. So I'll explain you in this slide. Autocratic supervision. Autocratic supervision means superior expects complete obedience from its subordinates and work to be performed strictly according to its instructions. Means whatever he is saying, we expect that supervisor expect that his subordinates are working according to the things they are wanting. Okay? Then democratic supervision. Democratic supervision means the supervisor acts according to mutual consent and decision reached after the consulting the subordinate. Now, democracy means by the people, for the people. Same is the case in the case of democratic supervision. In this technique, supervisors, it acts according to the mutual consent and decisions when they reach after consulting the subordinates. Means subordinates are consulted first of all that what they need to do is, and then the superior just acts according to the mutual consent. And next is laissez-faire supervision. Now, what is laissez-faire supervision? Under this supervision, maximum freedom is allowed to the workers. Workers को free hand दिया जाता है. They have to decide their own policies and they need to make their independent decision. It means they are given maximum freedom to do their works. So, what are the qualities of a good supervisor? Qualities of a good supervisor is he should have the leadership quality. But you can see in the group of children also कि one child has the quality to supervise other persons, to lead other persons. He is considered to be the leader of the groups. Same is the case with the supervisor, that he should have the leadership qualities in him. Then ability to communicate. Communicate करना बहुत जरूरी है. When we are not when we are not able to say what we want to say to our subordinates, it means we cannot convey our message to the subordinates. So the supervisor should have ability to communicate. Then ability to listen. Supervisor should have the quality to listen also. Whatever he is saying to the workers, he should have the ability to listen. He should have the ability to listen to the workers also, that what they want to say to him. Then physical qualities. But if supervisor should have some physical qualities also. It means he should be stout. He should look like a supervisor. He should look like a leader. It's not that he should look like a person who will run away when there are problems. Functions of supervisor. Supervisor helps in improving the performance. When there is a good supervisor, it helps in improving the performance of the workers, because workers knows that their work will be checked, so their performance will be improved automatically. Then promotes in group unity. Supervisor जो है, it promotes in group unity. ग्रुप को इकट्ठा लेके यूनिटी बना के चलने का ही काम सुपरवाइजर का है. अगर सुपरवाइजर सबको यूनिटी में नहीं लेके चल सकता, then that supervisor is not a good supervisor. Then supervisor needs to provide training to the employees. Employees को किसी तरह की भी training चाहिए. Supervisor needs to provide that training to the employees. He should be well equipped with all the knowledge related to a work so that he can train the employees. Now, what are the responsibilities of a supervisor? Towards workers, towards management, and towards his own work. Now, towards worker, सुपरवाइजर को वर्कर्स को एज अ चिल्ड्रन समझना चाहिए. दे शुड अंडरस्टैंड कि वर्कर्स उसके अपने हैं. दे शुड गाइड देम. ही शुड टेल देम व्हाट इज एक्सपेक्टेड फ्रॉम हिम टू डू. Towards management, supervisor is basically the employee of the management. He should tell what is expected from him. He should be loyal to the management. He should see to it what work is expected from him. So he should be loyal towards management, and he should get the work done on the behalf of management only toward his own work. But a supervisor should be loyal to his own work. Whatever we are getting done, supervisor should see to it what is work expected from him. Now, what is the importance of supervision? Number one, it's optimum utilization of resources. Organization में resources हमेशा limited रहेंगे और हमारे objective जो है वो बढ़ते रहेंगे. Objective can be of two types. One is maximization, another is minimization. So, if we want कि we should maximize our profit, maximize our sale, maximize our output, we should work accordingly. And if we want that we should minimize our cost, minimize our wastage, minimize our time, then we should give it. There are two things. One is feasible, one is optimum. Feasible means the work can be completed in n number of ways. Optimum means वो टाइम लेना है जो हमें टाइम इफेक्टिव भी हो, कॉस्ट इफेक्टिव भी हो और जिसमें हमें ज्यादा से ज्यादा बेनिफिट लिया जा सके. सो सुपरविजन जो है इट एम्स एट ऑप्टिमम यूटिलाइजेशन ऑफ द रिसोर्सेज. Then improves communication. Supervision जो है it improves the communication to the employees. It should see what we are going to see to the things. Then improves motivation. Supervisor improves motivation of the workers also. Workers have to see what type of motivation is required to them. So supervisor aims at motivating the workers. Then provides guidance to the subordinates. Supervisor provides guidance to the subordinates. Supervisors need to see what are the things that subordinates need to go for at. So supervisor provide guidance to the subordinates. So in overall, we can say that supervisor plays a very important role in the organization. He is the person who is expected to get the work done from the employees. He is the person from we expect what he will be getting done from the employees and how the work will be done. He is the person who will be communicating the things, who will motivating the employees, and who will be guiding the subordinates that what type of work is expected from them. So thank you. I end my PPT here only.